So Samsung Galaxy recently had their crazy AI announcement event, and it was filled to the brim with super interesting things that I guarantee you want to know. So in this video, I've extracted the best AI-related bits that I guarantee you want to know.
By providing real-time voice translations while you're on a call. When you make or receive a call in a language you don't speak, the Galaxy S24 series can provide live translations of your call, both verbally and on screen, right away.
Hola, esta llamada se está traduciendo y subtitular de forma simultánea.
Hello? Can I make a reservation for tomorrow at 7 p.m.?
Hola, ¿puedo hacer una reserva para mañana a las 7 de la noche?
Por supuesto. ¿Para cuántas personas?
Of course. For how many people?
Table for 2, please.
Mesa para dos, por favor.
¿A nombre de quién?
Under whose name?
Harrison.
Harrison.
Gracias. Nos vemos mañana a las 7 de la tarde.
Thank you. See you tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Amazing, right? It's like having your own personal interpreter on your calls. The Galaxy S24 series offers real-time, two-way call translations within the native call app. It'll support audio and text translations for up to 13 languages at launch. And it all happens right there on the device, keeping your phone calls private. It'll even remember your language settings and what language each contact speaks, so you don't have to make updates before you have your next conversation. And Live Translate works no matter what kind of phone the other person is using, even a landline. So, if you happen to make a lot of international calls or enjoy exploring local hotspots while traveling, Live Translate makes it easy to have those conversations. These translations work in person too. Galaxy S24 can act as your personal interpreter, whether you're lost and asking for directions or speaking to a merchant at a local marketplace.
Excuse me? I'm looking for the palace. Can you tell me how to get there?
Perdón, estoy buscando el palacio. ¿Puedes decirme cómo llegar allí?
Camine unas 2 cuadras en esa dirección y gire a la izquierda.
Walk about 2 blocks in that direction and turn left.
Okay.
Está bien.
Es muy fácil de encontrar. No se lo perderá.
It's very easy to find. You can't miss it.
Thank you.
Gracias.
What you say will be translated both verbally and via text for the other person, and vice versa. So you'll be able to communicate just like that. From calls in the native app to in-person conversations, the Galaxy S24 series provides real-time translations to help you communicate in other languages seamlessly. That experience was built right into our Samsung keyboard to help you directly translate words or phrases as you type. And now you'll have a more intuitive translation available right in the chat window. Here, to show us how it works, please welcome Heejin.
Thanks, Drew. Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to show you how Chat Assist works because I use it often. I recently posted that I was heading to San Jose for Unpacked, and one of my friends from Spain messaged me to say she would also be in town. In the past, we used to only message in English, but now, with Chat Assist, we can communicate in Spanish too. When I told her, she couldn't believe it. Let me show you how it works. See? When you use Chat Assist, it detects the language and translates the message. And when I type my message in English, it translates what I wrote into Spanish. Oh, I should confirm that she's still free for dinner tomorrow. When a message came in, the translation showed up right under it. Let me reply.
So the on-device translation was really, really cool, and I'm excited to see what some users' tests are going to be, because it's one of the first things that we've seen that is really, really quick. And the next thing that was really fascinating from this event was, of course, the expressive styles, which I'll show you guys right now.
It can also help us communicate better in our own languages, too. You can select different styles of conversations on Google Messages. So when you're writing a casual message to a friend, you can choose a chill or excited tone. Or for work, you can choose to be more formal. There's even a Shakespearean tone when you're feeling a little whimsical. And this all happens on device on the Galaxy S24 series, thanks to Google's most efficient AI model built for on-device tasks, Gemini Nano. And now, with Photo Emoji on Google Messages, you can turn your photos into stickers and reactions, opening up whole new ways to express yourself. You can also make tone changes to your notes, chats, and social media using the Samsung keyboard. So, if you're writing a caption for your feed, you can apply this social tone for a more expressive, creative post.
So in that segment there, we did get to see the expressive styles, which is really cool, because it allows you to transform your writing with generative AI and format it for any style or event, which is very, very useful if you're someone who has to switch between different environments very quickly, and someone that sometimes messes up formal and informal, just something that is really good at saving you some time. Now, the next feature was Transcript Assist, which was really cool, and this is essentially a great way to take notes in a meeting.
I'm sure all of you have had that experience when you're in a group meeting or lecture and you wish someone could take notes for you. Having a tool that helps you recall who said what and provides a quick recap of lectures and conversations can be helpful to everyone, including those who are hard of hearing. The native voice recorder app on our Galaxy devices has had speech-to-text available in different languages. And now, instead of creating a basic transcript, Galaxy AI can distinguish between different speaking voices and will even create a short and sweet summary of what was said.
Now, something that was similar to Transcript Assist was, of course, the Note Assist, and I'm pretty sure everyone probably uses notes on a daily basis to maybe note down some things. And having an AI system right there to be able to organize those notes is definitely going to be a game changer.
If you take as many notes as I do, it can be tricky to stay organized. Sometimes my handwriting can be messy or slanted, even when I use my S Pen. But Samsung Notes can clean that up in a snap. With Note Assist, it's so easy to organize my thoughts. Let me show you what I mean. When I'm in a meeting or a brainstorming session, I often jot things down quickly and need to reorganize my notes later to make sense of them. Here are some notes from a team project. I can tidy things up by adding a bit of structure, like headings and bullets, to my notes. Just like that.
Now, next, what we're about to see is AI-powered search, and this is something that Google has been teasing with its search updates with generative AI, and I do think that this is a pretty neat addition to how search is going to be working in the future.
You know, our phones are really a window to the world's information. And because humans are naturally curious, you probably come across things in your apps all the time that you want to learn more about. But when you're immersed in a moment of discovery, it can feel disruptive to stop what you're doing and switch to another app to learn more. So today, we're introducing a solution. I'm thrilled to unveil Circle to Search, a new way to search anything on your Android phone using a simple gesture without switching apps. Thanks to breakthroughs in Google AI, you can now circle, highlight, scribble, or tap whatever you're curious about on your screen to learn more. So let's take this example where I'm interested in what a creator is wearing in their social post, but they didn't tag the brands. Today, if I see something I'm interested in, I'd have to take a screenshot and then leave the app to search it. And switching between different apps can be kind of inconvenient and take you out of your flow. But now, just long press the home button to invoke Circle to Search. And from there, you can select any item, like these sunglasses, to quickly uncover similar options and where to buy them. Without leaving where you are, you could also scribble the bag to see what that is. I've been really into this padded bag trend lately, so we'll definitely be checking these out. It's so amazing, right? Or if I wanted to know more about the boots instead, I could just tap on them quickly to look those up too. And just like that, your curiosity is satisfied. And when you're done, you can just swipe away and you're right back where you started. Or for example, perhaps you're browsing social and come across what looks like a really delicious corn dog that you want to know more about. With the power of generative AI, you can ask more complex and nuanced questions than ever before. So you can more easily understand concepts or topics through helpful information that's pulled together from across the web. So I can circle the corn dog and ask a question like, why are these so popular? And I quickly learn that these treats are Korean corn dogs. And they're trending because they feature a unique combination of flavors and textures, crunchy and gooey at the same time. And from there, you can get right back to what you were doing. This is all possible due to Google's deep understanding of information in its many forms, paired with our world-class ranking systems to deliver helpful, high-quality information. And of course, Google has long been committed to keeping your personal data secure, and Circle to Search was built with privacy in mind. It's designed to use only the area you select on your screen to begin your search. Okay, so we've talked a bit about this exciting innovation, but let's actually see the magic in action. Okay, so say my friend texts me to plan for our upcoming trip to London. She loves vintage clothes, and she wants to know if I know of any thrift stores around Camden Market. So I can just long press the home button and select the text in her message, and instantly see some options that thrift stores I can go to. Is that amazing? So it looks like London has a really awesome thrifting scene, and I think this Camden thrift store one, it has a great rating, so I think we'll go there. Now, my friend also says that there's this chicken restaurant in Covent Garden that I guess serves an entire fried chicken. It sounds amazing, but I have absolutely no clue what she's talking about. But again, with Circle to Search, I can just long press the home button, and I can circle the text here, and how amazing is that? Yes, it's this place called Chicken Sours, and I can see all the information about it, including I can go in here and see some photos. That looks like some amazing fried chicken. We should definitely go there. Now, if you're anything like me, I'm sure you love watching videos on your phone. So let's say I'm browsing YouTube Shorts, and I see this kind of interesting hanging chair here. I'd like to know more, but I wouldn't even know what to say. So again, with Circle to Search, I long press the home button, circle it right over the video, I use my finger or the S Pen, and up pops some results, and see a bunch of different options here. And if I want to, I can recircle, and here are even more options. And I can click on any of these. It's just so magical. I can just learn more about anything that I see. With Circle to Search, the power of Google AI is just a press away, no matter where you are on your phone. only on Android. And absolutely. And we're excited to announce that Circle to Search will be available across all 3 models of the Galaxy S24 series. This incredible new capability is the result of deep collaboration with Samsung, and we're thrilled to bring the latest innovations from Google Search to Galaxy users around the world.
And of course, they actually did have a small snippet where they talked about on-device privacy, where you can essentially choose whether or not you want to use the cloud to process your data or process it on your device.
And we know how important it is to safeguard your privacy along the way. So, with the Galaxy S24 series, making decisions about your data is in your hands. We're giving you total transparency and full control. Under advanced intelligence settings, you can decide whether you want to allow online processing and full functionality of AI.
Now, this is about to get crazy because this is where we get to their Pro Visual Engine, which is their AI-powered camera that can do some really crazy stuff.
The Galaxy experience has always been fueled by our commitment to meaningful innovation. Last year, Galaxy S23 Ultra empowered users to capture epic, professional-grade content. Today, Galaxy S24 Ultra will maximize your creative freedom with a wide-ranging suite of AI tools powered by an all-new Pro Visual Engine. Tara, are you ready to show everyone what the Galaxy S24's camera can do?
Yes, Hamid. I've seen posts that the S series is a must-bring item for concerts. That's why, when we went to see K-pop band Tomorrow by Together, we brought along the Galaxy S24 Ultra to replicate the fan experience. See, although it's a dimly lit environment and we were far away, with the Galaxy S24's nightography and space zoom, we were able to zoom in to see TXT as if we were in the front row. And from up front, in the dark concert hall, we could clearly capture details.
Now, if that wasn't enough, there's of course more ways to edit it. For example, take a look at this.
Get a shot of us too.
That is impressive. How does it work?
The Galaxy S24 Ultra captures 50 megapixel images with the new 5x optical zoom lens, then crops the center of the screen to create an impeccable 12 megapixel image with no loss in image quality. Thanks to the new improved NPU, the AI is faster and more accurate. This means it can perform multi-frame processing and super resolution simultaneously from the get-go. So cropped 12 megapixel images still have top-notch quality. Galaxy S24 Ultra optimizes separate frames into a single exceptional image.
Wow, bravo! Hold for your applause. There's more. AI quickly analyzes images from both cameras even before you press the shutter. And based on the recognition of different types of subjects, it fine-tunes details in each area. The AI touches up the skin, sharpens details like grass and trees, and even amplifies subtleties in clothing and hair to give you optimal results with maximum detail. Galaxy S24 Ultra's powerful AI technology is sure to once again wow people with its unparalleled picture quality.
Impressive! Samsung Galaxy's smartest AI-powered camera. So epic!
So, now that you've taken note of all these new things coming your way, what do you think about the Samsung's new device, the Galaxy S24? Give your opinion in the comments below.